Okay, let's work some more of these. This one says 12.5% of what number is 350? So we're going to use our proportion method to solve this. So I'm going to start that off. 12.5%. That's the same thing as saying 12.5, isn't it? Now we could use the fraction if we wanted to, and that's quite all right. We're just going to have to work with fractions then as we go through and solve our problem, especially for things that are 1/2, 1/4, 3/4. Those are the really nice ones that would be much easier for you just to go ahead and change that over to a decimal. Okay, so 12.5% of what number is 350? We need to decide if 350 is the smaller portion or the whole. So, and this is again where the is and the of sort of is very helpful. Of what number is 350? That's telling us that the 350 is the part, and the whole of what number we don't know. So the entire amount is what we're looking for. Now we can go ahead and do our cross product. So 350 times 100 should equal the cross product of x times 12.5. Now we can do what we can. 350 times 100 would be 35,000 equals x times 12.5. Now we want to get x alone, so the opposite of multiplying by 12.5 would be to divide by 12.5. Now in doing that, x will equal, we have 35,000 divided by 12.5, which would be 2,800. Is our answer reasonable? Remember, the 350 rather is a portion of the whole. So we would expect our x to be much larger. And actually, in fact, it is. And since we were talking about 12.5%, that's a very small portion of the whole amount. So our answer being very large is very reasonable. Okay, let's work on some percents now. And now we're going to be finding the percent in this proportion problem. So we have 18 bean burritos is what percent of 36 bean burritos? So again, let's use our proportion method. So 18 is what percent of 36? That's telling us that 18 is the smaller part of the 36. What percent is what we're looking for? That's what we don't know. So now let's use our cross product. 18 times 100 will equal the cross product of 36 times x. So 18 times 100 would be 1800 equals 36 times x. And now instead of multiplying x by 36, let's divide it by 36. That's the opposite. So here we'll have x equals 1800 divided by 36 would be 50. So that's telling us that our percentage is 50%.